Hi, it's Easy Rider Greg. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, I just came into town to get I had a doctor's appointment, and I went to Golden Corral here for lunch. Now I'm on my way back. The sky's looking kind of ominous. It was only supposed to be a 15% chance of rain, so I said, well, we've had 20-some and 30-some% chances that never materialized, so I don't think it's going to materialize. I'll just go ahead and ride, but I don't know, it's looking kind of ominous. Just getting some gas for my return trip home from the doctor's in Fort Smith. And I got on the wrong side of the pump, but I got it in anyway, no problem. So, and we started up, no problem, and we got 91 octane, 100% gasoline here. Which is good. We never could. There was only a couple of gas stations. I won't say never could. There was only a couple in Arizona that you could get 100% gasoline at, and then it was either regular and once in a while premium. Mostly it was regular. That was 100% gasoline, and yet you were paying like you were buying premium gas, but it was only regular. Here, most of them that have 100% gas is premium, but there are a few that have 100% gas regular. This is just the outskirts of Greenwood. We're leaving Greenwood. We don't really go into Greenwood the way I go now to get to and from Fort Smith. Just catch the east end of it where there's almost no development. In fact, a lot of stations don't have 100% gas. It's all gasohol. And unfortunately, that's what gets in my tank most of the time. Gasohol. I'm treating it now, giving it 100% gasoline. Pings a lot less going up a hill in 6th gear with 100% gasoline. With that gasohol in it, that ping going up this hill in 6th gear. I'm pretty sure I'll make it home now, because I don't think I got more than 16 miles to go, and it doesn't look that ominous yet. So I'd have to keep going anyway. I was going to say, I'll just keep going. Well, I have to anyway, whether it rains or not. The only way I got to get home, and even though I don't like riding in the rain, I'd rather ride in the rain than in the dark, waiting for the rain to quit, and then riding home in the dark. I can't see that well at night with the other headlights. without getting rained on. And we're home. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next exciting adventure.